This story trains episode goes out to those who lost their lives on 9/11. Okay, time for a new story or trains episode. This one is called the 9/11 Train Talk with Thomas and Friends. Based on the Rebel series by Washington and events that happened in real life. And the Thomas event series by Frida All Engine Go is coming out soon. Created by me, Nadine, and one day James was cross.
I'm willing to dance the day already.
Hey James, what do you mean today? Today's September 11th, Muir. You know what that means, right? Indeed I do, James. Today is the 20th anniversary of 9/11. After practice, y'all the different year with my friend. And that is already an anniversary of 9/11. "9/11? What 9/11? Is that an event or something?" "Yeah. What is 9/11? Did something bad happen on that day?" "What happened? Is 9/11 an event or something?" "It's not only an event, you five. It's like something bad happened on that day 20 years ago." "What do you mean something bad happened on that day?" "It was a terrorist attack. Planes crashed on that day." "What? What? How did that happen? Oh no!" "Oh, yikes! They were hijackers, terrorist Al-Qaeda group members. And they took control of the planes and crashed them in different locations." "What locations?" "The World Trade Center, the Pentagon, Pennsylvania." "You said planes crashed. What planes? What were them flight numbers?" "The first plane to crash was American Airlines Flight 11. It crashed into the North Tower of the World Trade Center. United 175. It crashed into the the South Tower. After American 11. Oh dear, I'm getting confused. Are there any more flights?" "Yes. Flight 77, also American Airlines, is crashed into the Pentagon near Washington DC, which is close to where we are." "So that's the whole flight number?" "Yep, I guess it is." "Not so fast, James. You forgot about one flight number, you know." What flight number did we forgot this time?" "James, you keep forgetting. United Airlines Flight 93. Don't you remember? It did not reach its target point because the passengers overtook their hijackers." Why do I keep forgetting that? How bad was the crash? I'm sure the crash wasn't that bad. "Oh, really, Stuart?" Roll the clip. "The morning is a 10-minute started off normal, yada yada. But suddenly, at the World Trade Center, with a whoosh and a zoom, and then a bang! Light made American Airlines Flight 11 crash into the North Tower of the World Trade Center." Yikes! When that plane hit that building, I saw like an enormous fireball. Okay, that was bad. Surely there were no other plane crashes. "Unfortunately, yes." Roll the clip again. "A few minutes after American 11, there was a zoom and a zoom. Then a bang! Another plane crash. This time it was United 175. "Okay, sure. American 11 was in flight crash. Big deal. I'm sure them two were the only plane that crashed on 9/11. On you called 9/11. Oh, Stuart, there were more than just two plane crashes on that day. Here's the next clip. Roll it! This time it was at the Pentagon, near Washington DC. That's that. And before you ask, is Washington DC nation's capital? Yes. Anyway, it was normal. Nothing happening. Suddenly, there was a plane crashing into the west side. Where the ground. This time, it was American 77. American 77? That's an American plane. Same as the other one. That was American 11. And yes, it is. What happened next, James? James? Thomas? Where are you? Help! Get us out of here! I'll go get the Paw Patrol. Ryder! Ryder!
Oh, hi. Oh, hi, Maria. Oh, hi, Maria. What's up?
Thomas and James are stuck up there. Get us down! And we're just talking about 9/11. Do y'all know about 9/11 anyway?
Yeah.
Then what is 9/11 then?
Some people die.
No, it's a terrorist attack. I'll talk to y'all pups later. Now get James and Thomas down, please.
Paw Patrol. Oh, there's nothing too big. The pup is too small. Paw Patrol.
Ryder needs us, pups.
Oh,
Hey, where's Marshall? Here I come. Ah! Here I am.
I'm gonna chill.
Get us down.
Chill. It's up to us to save
Them.
them. This is I need Skye. I need you and your help. Courtesy, you can get them.
Let's take to the sky.
Chase, you see there's no track comes in.
Chase in the case.
All right, Pop.
God, you're trying to airlift them up. Hey, Pop got mine. Look on, you two. Okay. Thanks, guy. What about James? I'm Aerosick. Wow. You're right. We got you. Phew. Dang. Thanks, guy. Thanks, Paw Patrol. Really useful as always. If you're in trouble, just yell for help. Now, what's this 9/11 thing y'all are talking about? What the pup says so far about 9/11 is a terrorist attack that happened on September 11, like today, but in 2001. The flight number for American 11, United 175, American 77. One more flight that crashed.
What flight?
Flight chase was United Airlines Flight 93. United Airlines Flight 93? Yep, that's right. United Airlines Flight 93. We don't have video of the crash, but here's a video of the passengers struggling to get to the hijackers. Roll clip.
Okay. Let's roll.
Get ready to run to first class. I gotta go. Bye.
Ready to go. They're touching the cockpit.
I love you, tell the kids. I love them too. Look, they're going into the cockpit.
There seems to screams going on, and with the people screaming, and while watching that, I presume that something is happening, you know, because the plane was like heaving or turning stuff.
or flipping.
No, come on! The plane's going down! Look at it!
Happens here the boom, boom with a boom and a bang. And I can hear guys' voices like they're excited, like something's happening. I don't know, like a confrontation or something. I was hoping someone would come from the plane would come back and say we got them or something.
And I just heard me and her. And besides the screaming that I heard, and then she screamed and we got disconnected because that was the last thing I've heard.
That's when there was the second set of screams, which probably occurred seconds
before
before
the plane crash. So what happened next? Yeah, what happened next? Yeah. What happened after that? Nothing. Yeah, nothing. At the time, it was so terrifying that we don't want to talk about it. Anyway, I hope there won't be any more hijacking on planes or trains. I thought there will be a hijacked plane today.
Paw Patrol! Guys!
Henry, what's wrong?
We got reports of a hijacked plane!
Which plane is it? I don't like this. Hi, hijacker. Huh, where are you planning to take me?
We're not taking you, we're gonna crash you!
What? Where?
The lookout, and there it is. Look up! And there it is.
Oh no! Gotta go! Oh! And Crypto Carol was, I think, born on 9/11. Happy birthday to y'all! Oh.
Okay, now I understand about 9/11.
Oh, that was a scary time. Wait a minute. The people on the plane, did they survive? Sadly, no. None of the passengers on these planes survived 9/11.
Well, at least no plane gonna hit this place.
About that.
Sorry, I forgot to tell you. There's another hijacked plane.
You gotta be kidding me.
Sadly I'm not. Oh no, here it goes!
Oh no! Okay, 2 crashes. The lookout's down and the rocking bridge. This is one. Whoa. I guess this is their way coming into 9/11, crashing them. Ugh. I have got to go.
Wait. Can I catch a ride, please?
Oh. Okay, I'll just open my door so you can get on board.
Doors opening, step back to allow customers to exit. When boarding, please move to the center of the car.
You got the door closing.
Oh, hijackers. Whoa. I can't believe what a crazy day it is. But I got to go. Before things get even more crazy.
I feel bad for the people who died on 9/11. At least I'm not hijacked or crashed. Uh-oh. I'm hijacked. I think I'm about to move. Thomas, get on the way! Oh, oh, stupid hijackers! Hey, I'm gonna go get him. And me. Okay, let's
and green and brown and blue. They're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play. Around in the sheds or far away. Down the hills and round the bend. Thomas and his friends. Thomas,
He's the cheeky one.
James,
His fame had lots of fun.
Percy,
Pulls a mail on time.
Gordon,
Thunders down the line.
Emily,
Really knows her stuff.
Henry,
Toots and huffs and puffs.
Edward,
Wants to help and share.
Toby, well let's say he's square. We're to the 4, the 6, the 8, shunting trucks and hauling freight. Red and green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All with different roles to play. Around in the sheds so far away. Down the hills and round the bends. Thomas and his friends.
That's all, folks. This Story of Trains episode goes out to the people who lost their lives on 9/11. Disgraceful, disgusting, and despicable day. Yes, like James said. This is for the 20th anniversary of 9/11. See you next time, everyone. See you next time. This has been a special 9/11 Story of Trains episode.